Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Gracie as she explains herself. So go ahead and catch the video as Gracie explains herself. And also remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also comment. Thank you.
I don't know what took in place for lady this today because bad to bad in here, but me hear my car Verna. I see Verna no mix up like that. But me hear my run up on Verna today over there. No go over there, go keep on looking good, with no finger cross. Me tell from the side, me tell no long time no go over lady place no mix up. Me tell no long time lady is a madman, so I don't know why no go over there go make trouble. Tell no long time a madman. Why no go over there go make trouble like all the card you know. And girl tell them here, someone name my car. Yeah, no name a call over there. But the one we call me name last night, me say, if you cut me, no blood no left in me. How no wicked so man? Me say, any one you no bad word put out a road and say, Gracie tell somebody bad word last night. Because I did lick up, me say, I don't know I'm mad last night and limb up 13 with some word, some fabric, whenever I sell a fabric, because I did mad. Because I can't believe somebody did really care my name like that. I can't believe somebody really care my name like that. I'll take 13 some mistake. You don't do it again a year, don't do it. You not tell no lie for me. Don't tell no lie for me when I want to see a nation as do it. If somebody say it's not a stranger, it's a nation, as somebody will there with me every day, somebody will take the word. I'm one to me say I go on bad last night. Me tell me the truth from now, me go on bad.
Let me tell you what me say. Me say, if you even chat simply with them, you know, surprise. Allah.
Hold on there. Me look feed because I know say if you play out there, you can't say Gracie tell no first. Because I tell him so sitting last night after me. Come on for my life, because this is mad me. Tell me the truth, I don't know why I tell you. Gracie done one. Uno see man go over there go tell lie for me last night. Oh, Verna. Verna, not from over here. I don't know Verna. I don't know Verna. It's Veran. I know Veran. It's from over here. I don't know who named Verna. So the person who named Verna was call me name. I tell Leggy about me. I call him name last night. Avoid me. So when me tell 13 last night after my mother come off her life.
Me say, what I said, I will not be going on my platform and asking for nobody else.
Hold on, another one them who want here. I know me telling some word last night.
I think you're a liar. Anything they tell me about you, I'm not going to believe. It's a fucking lie. I can't believe you go past social media because say something like that. But me say for my life 13. I can't believe you're so wicked. I never know after you have trust.
Yeah, can't go tell her so much say me say.
God know 13 up to know about me. If you know say the woman where you the only person in America where you could have begged me to send the money was Lorraine Free. That cut me to my core. And from last week, me tell him, I said 13. You never know, so Lorraine and the woman a friend. That could have cut anybody. It can't mix up. She will send the money. Me that way, if I even put a dirty frack, I would put on no dirty one, me that flip on my clean one and come back out. Because you cannot come address somebody of a life where you hear about and you never hear for yourself. Them wrong.
So a person nation are over here tonight now. I don't there, you know, one there. My ear is a nation I go tell 13. My ear. Me hear on social media say it's a one and uno. One and uno same followers where they every day. Go tell 13 say miss there. She and Lorraine friend. So no love cause problem in a phone, yeah? Cause nowhere, no time, no place, no hour did I said that 13 and Lorraine friend. And the world it don't know say. Any of me said 13 and Lorraine friend. The world it don't know say. Gracie wouldn't afraid for talk. The world it don't know say Gracie wouldn't afraid for talk say. Yes, 13 me say it. Nation has to not tell no lie pa me come yes I wanna know. Me hear me nah blame no other platform to the only me a chat to. Only is a set a mix up. Anybody do it. One on over here and one on over here is a set a mix up and problematic people. No fear me here. Yeah. I will not be blaming the rest of the platform them, but to bother me over here and enjoy the mix up and a laugh and a go on. But no one never try mix my name down further. One on the same nation as for call a woman and tell a woman say, Miss say. She and Laura friend. No do mix me here. No do it again. The next time I not tap till I find out who and I come in out you can call out on the name. No do it again. No tell no lie for me.